Let's take a moment to recap everything and then to look at how you can share this and turn it in. Let's zoom in one more time. Here we have a shape, some text. We imported an image from the web and then we did a recolor overlay. As we scroll down, we have a text box that has a gradient background on it. We added these little shapes, we filled them in, and then we rotated them using the little circle that sticks out. This is just a normal text font, and we built this using lines, and then we selected them all and grouped them so that they move as one. Here we searched for this image in the image search box, and I just cropped them so that there was no space on either side, fit them together and made a bunch of copies, and then I used the recolor tool to recolor these blue ones here. We've added a chart for the body and body regions most affected by injuries. We added a diagram. Then down here at the bottom we did a text box for the summary, and here I showed you how to add 3 images, crop them into a shape, and then use the ordering tool to determine which ones would be on top and which ones would be on the bottom. The last thing for us to do is to get it out of Google Drive and into Oaks, or however you're going to be saving it. There's 2 methods. One is to download it, and then you can submit it as an attachment or add it to the Oaks assignment Dropbox as an actual file. And that's done through choosing File, Download, PDF Document. And it's going to download a PDF of your entire graphic. And this file can then be uploaded into Oaks. Another way is to share it. You do this by clicking the Share link at the top, choose Get Shareable Link, and make sure it says either anyone at the College of Charleston with the link can view or anyone with the link can view. If it doesn't say either of those things, choose the drop-down arrow, choose More, and then you can select anyone at the College of Charleston or anyone with the link, whichever you prefer, and make sure it says Can View, and then save. Now copy this link and either paste it into an email or into the Oaks Dropbox to turn it in.